to watch this if you struggle with making your kitchen truly work for your life. Hey everyone, I've always believed that the kitchen is truly the heart of the home. It's where we gather, where we share stories over a warm meal, and where so many memories are made. It's more than just a place to cook. It's a space that should reflect your family's story and your personal style. So are you thinking about building your dream kitchen? I know it can feel like a huge undertaking, but I'm here to walk you through it. Here are the top things you need to know before you even think about picking up a hammer. It all starts with a story, and your kitchen's story begins with a really good plan. A beautiful kitchen doesn't just happen by accident. It's born from intention, from thoughtful consideration of how you and your family will live in the space. Before you get swept up in the excitement of choosing countertops and paint colors, it's so important to take a step back and really plan. This planning stage is where the magic truly begins. It's where you lay the foundation, not just for the cabinets and the island, but for the flow, the function, and the feeling of the entire room. A well-thought-out plan will be your roadmap, guiding you through every decision and helping you turn that dream in your head into a beautiful, tangible reality. This isn't just about avoiding mistakes, though that's part of it. It's about creating a space that works as hard as you do, one that feels intuitive and welcoming from the moment you step inside. We're going to talk about everything from the ground up, making sure every choice you make is intentional and serves a purpose. It's about building a kitchen that's not just stunning to look at, but a complete joy to live and work in every single day. So grab a cup of coffee and let's start dreaming and planning together. First things first, let's talk about the bones of the kitchen, the layout. This is truly the foundation of everything else. Before you think about a single finish, you have to consider how you move in the space. I always think about the work triangle, the path between the sink, the stove, and the refrigerator. You want that path to be easy and unobstructed, making your daily tasks feel effortless. Think about your own rhythm. Are you a solo cook, or is it a family affair with little helpers underfoot? Do you entertain often, needing space for guests to gather without getting in the way? The layout needs to support your life, not complicate it. An open concept layout can feel so inviting, connecting the kitchen to the living and dining areas, perfect for keeping an eye on the kids or chatting with guests. But a more defined U-shape or galley kitchen can be incredibly efficient, keeping everything you need within arm's reach. Don't just copy a layout you saw in a magazine. Stand in your current space and walk through the motions of making your favorite meal. Where do you wish you had more counter space? Where do things feel cramped? Answering these questions now will ensure your new kitchen feels like it was made just for you, a space that flows with purpose and grace. All right, let's talk about the less glamorous but oh so important part of this journey, the budget. I know it's not as fun as picking out tile, but setting a realistic budget from the very beginning is the kindest thing you can do for yourself and your project. It's your financial roadmap. Start by getting a clear picture of what you can comfortably invest. Then, break it down. I like to create categories: cabinetry, countertops, appliances, labor, lighting, flooring. Assigning a percentage of your total budget to each category helps you see where your money is going and where you might want to splurge or save. Now, here's a little piece of wisdom I've learned over the years. Always build in a contingency fund. I recommend setting aside at least 15 to 20% of your total budget for those unexpected surprises. Because trust me, they will happen. You might open up a wall and find some old plumbing that needs updating, or you might fall head over heels for a backsplash that's just a little over budget. Having that cushion gives you peace of mind and the flexibility to handle challenges without derailing the entire project. A smart budget doesn't limit your creativity, it empowers you to make intentional choices. For me, a truly functional kitchen is a clutter-free kitchen, and the secret to that is smart storage. It's about creating a designated home for every single pot, pan, and pantry item. Think vertically. So often, we forget about